Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group FJ3, which consists of Muhammad Alif Daniel, Muhammad Afiq, Muhammad Nizli Aidan, and Muhammad Hazim. We present to you about FAD1008, Chemistry 4, topic number 6, the warfare between ants. Generally, there are many types and species of ants in this world. Most of them inject formic acids when they bite, so we will feel hurt. But there are another species of ant, which is aggressive fire ants. They amplify the level of chemical warfare between ants because they secrete something which is called solenopsin. Solenopsin is more toxic, so they scoot onto the other ants and kill them with its toxin. Despite the venomous solenopsin of fire ants, Tony Crazy Ant didn't have a problem to deal with them. Tony Crazy Ants is an ant which also secrete formic acid, but they are special as they can coat themselves with their own formic acid. This ability of Tony Crazy Ant make them the only ant species which able to invade fire ant territory.
But why does the ability of Tony Crazy Ant to coat themselves with formic acid makes them able to survive and battle against the fire ant?
Okay, before that, I have a very fun fact. Do you know why Tony Crazy Ant has the word crazy in its name? The reason is because the movement of a Tony Crazy Ant is very fast and very random in every direction. However, when Tony Crazy Ant saw a fire ant, their behavior suddenly start to change. Their behavior was as if they regained their sanity. So, to sum it up, Tony Crazy Ant is a mutual enemy for Fire Ant. So now we are going to talk about solenopsin. So solenopsin is the compound that is secreted by the fire ant. So the IUPAC name for solenopsin is 2-methyl-6-undecyl piperidine, and it is very insoluble in water. The reason is because if you look at the structure, we can see that solenopsin has a very long chain of carbon. So when a compound has a very long chain carbon, it is very heavy. Therefore, it is insoluble in water. And solenopsin is a secondary amine because as we can see from the structure given, the N atom in solenopsin is connected to two carbon atoms. Therefore, it is secondary amine.
For your information, all ants secrete formic acid. The IUPAC's name for formic acid is methanolic acid. We can see that is the structure of formic acid is as given in the slide. So, Tony Crazy Ant will groom themselves in formic acid and it used to counter the solenopsin of fire ant. But how, in chemistry perspective, can the solenopsin be countered?
As we showed before, from the structure of solenopsin, we know it has a amine functional group, so it has base characteristic, while formic acid on the other side is a type of carboxylic acid and for sure has acid characteristic. As we know, acid can neutralize base, and for the case of solenopsin and formic acid, it will just be the same. Formic acid on Tony Crazy Ant's body will neutralize the solenopsin from fire ant. The neutralization of formic acids will remove its venomous characteristics. This chemical reaction enables the Tony Crazy Ants to survive solenopsin attacks from fire ants and invade their territory.
That's all from us. Thank you.